So, I got something super interesting for you today, and I think our listeners are going to love this one. You know how we're always talking about different health topics here on Zimis Learn? Well, today we're actually going to talk about hearing loss.
Oh yes, this is actually such an important topic. And you know what's really fascinating? Most people don't realize that hearing loss is like way more common than they think. I mean, literally millions of people deal with this every single day.
That's actually pretty scary when you think about it. Can you tell us more about what exactly causes it?
So the thing is, there are actually multiple causes, right? Like, first off, you've got age-related hearing loss, which is super common. And then there's noise-induced hearing loss, which is becoming like, a huge problem, especially with young people, you know what I mean?
Wow. I mean, with all these earbuds and headphones everyone's using these days.
Exactly. And that's the thing, right? People don't realize that listening to music at high volumes can and it really does cause permanent damage over time. Like, we're talking about irreversible damage to these tiny, tiny hair cells in your inner ear.
What are some signs that someone might be experiencing hearing loss?
Well, the first thing people usually notice is that they're constantly asking others to repeat themselves, right? And they might find themselves turning up the TV volume more and more. Another big sign is like having trouble following conversations in noisy places, like restaurants or parties.
Is there anything we can do to prevent it?
Oh yes, absolutely. The key thing is being proactive about protection, like wearing earplugs at concerts, keeping your headphone volume at like 60% or lower, and taking listening breaks. And it's super important to get regular hearing checkups, especially if you're noticing any changes.
These are, really practical tips. What about treatment options?
So hearing aids have come such a long way, right? They're like incredibly sophisticated now. And there are other options too, like cochlear implants for more severe cases. The important thing is getting help early because, the longer you wait, the harder it can be to adjust to treatment.
Thank you for sharing all this. Any final thoughts for our listeners?
Yes. Just remember that your hearing is like so precious, right? And once it's damaged, you can't really get it back. So take care of your ears, get regular checkups, and don't wait to seek help if you notice any changes. Because early intervention can make such a huge difference.
This has been Zimis Learn. Thanks for listening, everyone, and we'll catch you next time.